Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now in the topic of the polarization, today we will see that the polarization due to reflection means how we can get the polarized light by using the concept of the reflection of light. So the very first Malus, the scientist Malus, he discovered that when a ray of light it is passing through a surface which is transparent like a glass or water, then the ray of light gets reflection reflected ray. That reflected ray is polarized. Okay, so by this method we can get the polarized light when it is incident on a transparent surface. Okay, so he discovered that. So according to him, this is the diagram for that. Ray of light is incident on a surface. It undergoes refraction as well as the reflection. Transparent medium, that means refraction will also happen there and reflection of light will also there. Okay. So at a particular point only, means according to them, according to him, the degree of polarization means reflected ray only get polarized. So degree of polarization, it depends only on the incident angle. So whenever we are changing the incident angle, the polarization degree it will change. That means at a particular point only we are getting the polarized reflected ray. Okay. For all incident ray it is not possible. Only at a particular position or at a particular angle of incidence, the reflected ray is come out as a polarized light. Okay, so when the light it is allowed to pass through a medium or transparent medium for at a particular angle means, for example, glass it is 57.5 degree. So angle of incidence, if we keep 57.5 degree, at that condition only we will get through the glass reflected ray is a polarized. Okay, so the reflected beam is completely polarized for this angle for the glass. So for different medium the angles will be different. Okay, so the angle of incidence at which the reflected beam is completely polarized is called as polarizing angle IP. So the angle of incidence at which the angle of refraction or refracted ray completely polarized is called as a angle of polarization, that is represented by IP. And this is the concept of reflection, polarization by the reflection. Means at a particular incident angle we can polarize the light by using the reflection method. Okay, so this concept given by the Morse. Hope you understand this concept of this reflection concept and polarization. If you have any doubt regarding this, please comment here. If you like our video, share it and subscribe.